welcome to the Connected Media Europe studio at BVE 2018. I'm joined by Jeroen van Vliet, CCO of Nordija.
Hello, Bridget.
So what do you think the trends are, the big trends in the market now and in the next few years?
Well, what we've seen throughout the past 10 years is that technology changes have driven the industry. So we've seen the industry move from SD to HD, of course. Then we got 4K, 8 ABR, which brings mobile TV to the masses. But let's say for the past couple of years, we see content as being one of the main drivers in the industry. So you see that, for instance, Netflix is spending, $5-6 billion on content.
Yes.
But that's not just Netflix, it's YouTube. Disney just bought a big content owner. We see Amazon jumping into the TV industry. So that brings a massive amount of content to the users. So it's not just the technology, but it's more the content that's bringing the change.
It's a very, very fast-moving market and as a dynamic market. How is Nordija responding to these big changes and this real focus on content?
Well, we see that, let's say, the growing amount of content is not really helping the users. So we have a customer that is actually running 700 TV channels. So you can imagine if you are tired from work, you go home and you turn on your TV and you've got 700 channels to choose from.
Yes.
And it's not just these 700 channels. There's catch-up TV, there's VOD. You're just tired when you're home. You don't want to go through 700 channels and find something you like. So we set ourselves a goal to help the users find what is relevant. So it's not just the amount, but imagine if we can help them find something they really like. Just when they turn on TV, it's there. So what we do, Nordija builds a product called Focus on TV. That's our flagship product, and within that product we have a solution called What's On. And What's On actually, well, it tries to find as many ways as possible to bring relevant content to the user. So we use, of course, recommendation, content prediction, social engineering. I mean, if a show is being tweeted online, if it's trending on Twitter, you can imagine that it's probably something you want to watch.
Yes,
yeah?
yes, yeah. How do you think then the role of operators and service providers might change in the future, bearing in mind what you've just said?
Well, they're a little bit afraid. Let's say our customers sometimes are afraid of the Netflix, of the YouTube coming, because they're taking away their business. But we actually are challenging them and say you should embrace it. I mean,
that's hard though, isn't it? It is quite scary.
Well, it is scary because their revenue is going somewhere else.
Yes.
But they could be the aggregators of content. So content is now moving from channels to apps. You probably have a couple apps on your TV installed, and there's only going to be more. So I think Bruce Springsteen once had a song, 57 channels and nothing's on TV. So now we have 57 apps. So where do you find it? So actually we believe the operators can be the gateway to the content. If they have a solution that searches throughout the applications, so you want to watch something and it will actually tell you, hey, this is in Netflix, or this is your Amazon TV, it will be so much easier. And then the operator has a very good role to help the user find their content.
Really interesting and a very reassuring and positive message then.
Thank you very much.
Operators, about their role in the future. Great to talk to you, and we hope you'll come back and talk to us again.
I will.
In a year's
Thank you very much.